Hello and welcome back. I'm Brandon with Slingmods.com, and today we have the thermal R&D ceramic coated front exit exhaust system for the Polaris Slingshot. If you've been following our channel, you probably know that we launched a ceramic coated rear exit touring exhaust system from thermal R&D. Well, that rear exit exhaust system has received exceptionally rave reviews since its debut, and has honestly earned Thermal the respect of both us and the Slingshot community as a whole. Well, now Thermal R&D, being the people pleasers that they are, is now rolling out their front exit ceramic coated exhaust system for those of you looking for that classic thermal sound in a bite-sized package. This little beauty is ceramic coated head to tail and weighs in at 12.5 pounds, which is a few pounds lighter than stock. Now the guys over at Thermal aren't just slapping together some welds and crossing their fingers in regards to sound quality. They create the product and then test the harmonics with computer software and equipment until they virtually eliminate those annoying resident frequencies that cause both drone and raspy exhaust notes. And then what we're left with is the most ear-pleasing front exit exhaust system that we've tested to date. Now, when I say ear-pleasing, it's subjective, as some people like a blaringly loud exhaust system and others don't. Now, if you do like the sound of a very loud exhaust, then this system's probably not for you. This exhaust produces a subtle, sophisticated exhaust note that allows you to enjoy conversation with your passenger while providing your eardrums with just the right amount of exhaust rumble. Now, we're going to break this video up into two segments. First, we're going to show you how the sound of this front exit exhaust stacks up against the stock Slingshot exhaust so that you can make an informed buying decision. There'll be a timeline listed below that shows you where the install begins if you'd like to skip the sound test we're about to do now. Now that you've heard the comparison test, let's get started with the installation process. Start by removing these 5 T40 Torx bolts. As well as this T25 Torx bolt. Then you can go through and start removing the stock exhaust springs. Next, you can pull your stock exhaust out through that side fender. Now make sure you still have this donut gasket attached to the cat. And then you can attach these exhaust springs to your new exhaust. Then and carefully slide the exhaust down into position and onto the donut gasket. Attach these 2 exhaust springs to your frame. And then go through and attach the rest to your cat. And now finally, you can reinstall the 5 T40 Torx bolts and that 1 T25 Torx bolt and tighten them all down back into position. Now that we have the front exit system installed, the only thing left to do is see how this puppy sounds out on the open road. As you can see, we spent the better part of the day testing this front exit exhaust system, and it literally kept us grinning the whole time. Now, just a heads up, there will be a little bit of break-in period to burn off any excess lubricants used in the manufacturing process, so I'd recommend taking it out for a quick 20 to 30 mile solo ride before inviting your passenger to take a ride along with you. So if this front exit, ceramic coated cat back exhaust system seems right for you, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.